Crochet Lace Course Tutorial 35. This time I will be making a 3D curly crochet braid that later we will use to decorate or create a larger piece of work. To begin, make a chain of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Double crochet through the first chain stitch of the foundation chain. Turn the work the way to have chain stitches on top, chain 3, 1, 2, 3, then double crochet 5 into the chain space. 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last double 5. Continue chain 1 and double crochet through the first chain stitch of the foundation chain. Do not turn the work, continue on this side. Make 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, and work around this double post. Make 4 double crochet stitches around the double post. 1, 2, 3, and the last double 4. Now turn the work a little to have chance to make stitches around these double crochet post. Around this post, make 4 double crochet stitches as well. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, under this 1 chain stitch, work 5 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Here we have the first curl. Now turn the work counterclockwise. Make 1 chain stitch, single crochet through the first stitch, then make 4 more single crochet stitches in a row. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now continue chain 1 and treble crochet through the double stitch. Around this double we have stitches made, so through this double crochet stitch, yarn over hook 2 times for a treble stitch. Now turn the work to the front side and begin the next row. Here you can see we have the first curl on the front. It would be the same row as the first one. Chain 3, double crochet 5 into the chain space of 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the last double 5. Chain 1 and double crochet through the next stitch. Do not turn the work. Now we need to work a curl. Chain 2 and work around the double post. Make 4 double crochet stitches around the post. 2, 3, and 4. Now turn the work a little to make stitches around this double crochet post. Around this post, make 4 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now turn a little, and under this one chain stitch, work 5 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now turn the work to the back, chain 1, and single crochet 5 in a row starting from the first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Chain 1 and treble crochet through the double stitch. This is the same double. Around this double we have stitches made. Now turn the work to the front and repeat the row before the previous one again. From one side of this braid we have curls. They are only from the front. The back side is plain. If you use the variegated thread, your curly braid will look like this one. This is the front. The curls can be seen only from the front. No curls on the back. Thanks so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, make comments, and share the video.